Hello everybody, I'm John Valentine with 노바지 염소. I have some announcements to make. First of all, from the middle of April 2019 until the end of June 2019, the 노바지 염소 YouTube channel will have a few temporary changes. That's right. There are many projects happening right now, some very exciting things going on, and we're very happy to share them with you. Our new season will begin in July 2019. And so, from the middle of April until the end of June, there will be some temporary differences that you'll notice. During that time, we will be posting videos, not daily and not on the same schedule as before. However, if you come to the YouTube 노바지 염소 channel frequently, you will be able to check and you'll be able to see what's going on. Also, during this short time, I recommend that you go back again to the beginning. Go back to the beginning of 노바지 염소 and review all of the videos that we've already posted. I'm sure there'll be some things in there that you have forgotten by now, and reviewing can help you to remember them. Also, during this time, there are some other programs that you can check out. First of all, on the internet, look for Jamglish. Jamglish, that's right. Jamglish is a program I make with my very good friend and my broadcast partner, Mr. Nam Sang-hyo. Together we talk about many topics, we practice many expressions in English, and we have some fun. I think that you'll enjoy that. Check it out, Jamglish. Also, a television program called Oh My Question. Oh My Question is on EduTV, and you can check that out on TV. The schedule in Korea is right here. You can see that. Also, don't forget Adventure English. Adventure English is a program I make together with my broadcast partner, Mr. Egan Chul. Jake, Sam, and I, we make Adventure English. Already, we've had 4 seasons, a lot of episodes that you can review. These days also, Jake Sam is also making some of the Adventure English podcast episodes by himself, and very soon I also will be posting a lot of new episodes that I make by myself. That is Adventure English, which you can find on Patbang. Now, Patbang is an application that you can download to your smartphone. It's kind of like a library of many podcasts. On Patbang, search for Adventure English. And on all of these programs, Jamglish, Oh My Question, and Adventure English. Also, of course, 노바지 염소. Don't be shy. That's right. Please click on like. Yeah, that helps a lot. And share with your friends, share with your family and your coworkers and your classmates, share with everybody. Thank you very much for that. Also, a very big thank you to our sponsor, 괌모닝하우스. Visit 괌모닝하우스 on the internet. Here is the website. When you visit 괌모닝하우스, there's always updates and many things that you can learn and many things that you can find out about what's going on. A lot of big projects happening. Once again, thank you very much to our wonderful subscribers. Subscribers, we appreciate you very much. It's because of you that we continue to make these videos and podcasts and broadcasts. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share. It's so important. Thank you very much. Again, enjoy these few months with a different schedule, and in July we'll be back with a new season and a lot of new material. So we'll see you then. Enjoy. Thank you very much. Take care.